the players.
Next, tignan mo ngayon si Kong at Tony. Hayaan mo sila.
So crucial in these moments. Konting kismisan. But we must remind the players.
Next, tignan mo ngayon si Kong at Tony. Hayaan mo sila.
Sports lang, sports lang. Maiwasan natin dito yung bench clearing.
Oh, parang wala namang gano'n. Sana wala namang gano'n mangyari. Napapakamot na lang talaga si Coach Gerald.
Tingnan natin muna yung play dito. Good play, good screen.
Number 26, Ashton Salvador, penalty situation. That's his third foul.
Ayun.
Technical foul on Kong's unbelievable basketball for improper bench decorum.